I bet you it's gonna need a jump box. We'll see. Ah, she's a Toyota. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MYLE354. Pretty sure this is a 1999 Lexus LX470. I bet you it's gonna need a jump box. We'll see. Ah, she's a Toyota. 226,705 miles. Pretty nice car. Look at that, power windows work. Ended up here due to a rusty frame. Very good condition though, otherwise. A lot of good parts on this thing. Hatch is still in good shape too. I get this open. Not all rotted out yet. A little soft. Just a wee bit. Lower's in good condition though, corners aren't rusted. These are pretty cool trucks. All the moldings will be for sale on this thing. This fender, not so much. Glass headlight upgrade, OEM fog lights. This is broken, the filler, but nice good hood. 4.7 liter under the hood, running nice and smooth as you guys are about to hear. Nice, good running. Do not believe the suspension is working. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission though. Drive. Reverse. Oh look, the power mirror dips. That's kind of cool. Alright, let's test out some more parts though. Ooh, vent motor's open. Passenger quarters. Alright, mirror switch. Power folds are working. Test out that climate control. Maybe not. Climate control broken?
Yeah.
Ah. Was the radio any good?
No.
No.
Like it does stuff, but it doesn't play anything, and then the cassette player does not work, so it did not get listed.
There's some issues here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't list the amp either because I'm pretty sure it's not playing music because of a bad amp.
That could be so. Sunroof. Sunroofies. Oh, I can't say roofie.
You know how to say that.
Whoops. Okay.
It's a one touch.
One touch sunroof. Yep. Leave it alone. It's a little Nelly.
Did you show that these actually fold in?
I did. I folded them. I don't know what else there is to try.
A burnout.
No, it's all-wheel drive.
Oh, it's all?
Yeah. High, low, neutrals. Okay. Well, this has been a really, really boring, not informative test video, but hey. Sometimes this just happens. If you guys are looking for any 1999 Lexus parts though, head on over to our website, www.jnjautoricking.com, or give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. Apologize in advance for the low quality of this content. It's early, I'm tired, and yeah, this thing just didn't really do what I wanted to do. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.